Namaste. Myself, Sharu Anjurbak from the Yoga Institute. So, working towards one's self growth, aspiring to be better and better every day, or even trying to improve every aspect of one's life, all this is a part of being human. Each one of us aspires to progress in life. But progress is hardly a straight path. In fact, it's a winding road with all its ups and downs and its momentums and pauses, its highs and lows. So, whether you're working towards a fitness goal or you're working towards bringing about inner peace, or even if you're focusing on a career goal, you will find that many days everything seems to move pretty fast. There is excitement, there is enthusiasm. Whereas on other days, you may find that nothing seems to move. But even in those moments of pauses, which seem like apparent setbacks, it's not that nothing is happening. There is still a shift going on. There is a transformation happening even in those moments of pauses, provided one decides to remain on the path. For example, take the case of a man who has just started to learn running. Maybe he's preparing to run a marathon. After years of sedentary lifestyle, when one starts some activity like this, initially there'll be a lot of excitement, there is enthusiasm, there is also energy, but soon it will be followed by sore muscles, fatigue, a body that doesn't want to cooperate, and that's when quitting seems to be the easier choice. But every moment when they choose to lace up those shoes, or every time they decide to go for a small jog, all these small steps contribute ultimately to progress and success. And the timeless wisdom contained in a book called the Yoga Sutras, written by Maharishi Patanjali, the great sage has given us two techniques called Abhyas and Vairagya when he speaks about achieving a goal. Abhyas means consistent, regular practice, and Vairagya means letting go of anxieties related to a particular result. Take the example of a musician who is learning and trying to master an instrument. Now, this musician may practice day in and day out regularly for a long time. Even on those days when he feels uninspired, he feels no energy, he has lack of motivation, yet he continues to practice. That is Abhyas. At the same time, he may also let go of the anxiety and the frustration associated with achieving his goal too soon or achieving a specific goal. All that he focuses on is his practice. So true progress will honor both effort and surrender. Every little step, however small it might be, takes us that much closer to our goal, and that is progress. Namaste.